Let's write 10 lines on my school bag. First line: a school bag is very important for students. Full stop. A school bag is very important for students. Second line: I also have a school bag. I also have a school bag. Full stop. Third line: it is of red and blue color. You can write color of your bag. Any color you can write here. Fourth line: it is made up of nice cloth. Fifth line: its cost is rupees 1000. You can write the cost of your bag. Sixth line: my father bought it for me. Here you can write my father, my mother, my grandfather, aunt, uncle. It's your wish. Seventh line: it is of Sky Bag Company. Full stop. It is of Sky Bag Company. Here you can change the name of the company. You can write the name of company of your bag. Eighth line: it has two big and three small pockets. It has two big and three small pockets. You can change the number of pockets according to your bag. Ninth line: I keep my bag neat and clean. I keep my bag neat and clean. Full stop. Tenth line: I like my bag very much. Full stop. I like my bag very much. I hope these lines will help you in writing composition or essay on my school bag. Thank you.